Hello, my name is Chidima. I'm the marketing leader at ThankUCash. Today, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step process on how you can make purchases on ThankUCash using an Android POS machine. On your POS, click on Purchase, enter your purchase amount, select ThankUCash, and enter your cashier code. Your cashier code is a unique identifier for each checkout point to prevent fraud. Then you enter the customer's phone number. Select your payment option, and in this scenario, we'll be using card payments. Enter your card PIN to authorize the transaction. Just like that. Not only have you purchased an item, but you also got rewarded. Beautiful, right? I know. See you next time.